So now we have to do some of the problems which are related to the form of x plus p into x plus q, that equal to x square plus p plus q into x plus pq. Okay, find the product 2b minus a into 2b plus c. Okay, very clear. Both first terms are same. What are they? 2b, but second terms are different, minus a and plus c. Okay, so don't write them as the product of a plus b into a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square, like that, because both first terms are same, second terms are different. Okay, now here 2b minus a, here first term x equal to how much? 2b, and plus b plus p equal to how much? Minus a. You write sign also, otherwise that is wrong, into 2b plus c. So same x, and here q equal to plus c. Okay, so here both the first terms are same but second terms are different. How to find out their products? So x 2b whole square, okay, plus p equal to how much? Minus a, plus q means how much? C, into x means how much? 2b, plus pq minus a into plus c. Okay, now we have to simplify it. 2b whole square, that means 2 square b square. 2 square means how much? 4b square. Okay, next minus a into plus 2b, that means minus 2ab, minus a into plus 2b. Positive quantity into negative quantity, a into 2b equal to 2ab, so minus 2ab. Next plus c into 2b, c into 2b, that equal to 2bc, plus 2bc. Okay, last and final, minus a into plus c, negative quantity into positive quantity, a into c. Okay, do you have any like terms here? We don't have any like term, so leave them. Okay, that is the product. The same product, 6x plus 6 into 6x plus 5. Both are having same first terms. What is that? 6x. But second terms are different. Plus 6 is there, plus 5 is there. So both terms are having same first term 6x, but different second term, plus 6 and plus 5. Okay, how to find out the product of different terms of second terms as the product of these two binomials. Here x equal to 6x, p equal to 6, and q equal to 5. So both are having same first terms 6x, but different second terms. Okay, 6 plus 6 and plus 5. Now I have to substitute x means what? 6x whole square, plus p plus q. P means 6, q means 5. 6 plus 5 into x. Here x equal to how much? 6x, plus p into q, 6 into 5. Okay, so 6x whole square. This square is belongs to 6 and x also. That means 6 square, x square. 6 square means 6 is multiplied by 2 times. 6 into 6, 36. Don't multiply 6 into 2. 6 square means 6 is multiplied by 2 times. 6 into 6, that equal 36 x square, plus 6 plus 5, 11 into 6x, plus okay, 6 5 is 30. That equal to 36x square plus 66x plus 30. So this is the product of the given two binomials with different second terms. Okay, find the product of 302 into 300a. Without using direct product, we have to use one of the suitable identity. How to find out the product? Very simple. Okay, they are in the form of x plus a into x plus b. You take different variables, different second terms a, b, like a plus b and like ab. Okay, so you use pq or ab or mn or whatever it may be, but anyway the second terms are different. Second terms are different. Now I make that same identity with respect to a and b. Okay, now the nearest rounded figure, that means 300 plus 2 and 300 plus 8. What you observe here, 308 can be expressed as 300 plus 8. They are having same first term, what is that, 300, but second terms are plus 2 and plus 8. They are different. Okay, so now they are having same first terms 300. Okay, this is in the form of x plus a into x plus b. That means 300 plus 2 into 300 plus 8. Here x means same first term, that is 300. Here a means 2 and b means 8. Okay, so x square 300 whole square plus a plus b 2 plus 8 into x. X means what? 300 plus 2 into 8. A equal to 2, b equal to 8. So 300 means 300 whole square means 300 is multiplied by 2 times. 2 plus 8, 10 into 300 plus 60. So how many zeros? 4 zeros. You write 4 zeros first. 3 3s are 9. Plus 1, 2, 3 zeros. You write 3 zeros. 3 1s are 3. Plus 60. Okay. Totally 93,016 is the answer. 93,016 is the answer. Okay. So next sum, same sum. 109 into 108 without using direct product. How to find 109 into 108 with the help of suitable identity. So 109 can be expressed as 100 plus 9. 108 can be expressed as 100 plus 8. Okay, now 100 plus 9, that means 109 into 100 plus 8, 108 equal to. Okay, here we have same first term. What is that? 100. But second terms are different, 9 and 8. So same, that means here x equal to 100 and a equal to 9, b equal to 8. Okay, so x square 100 square, a plus b 9 plus 8 into 100 plus ab 9 into 8. So 100 into 100 plus 9 plus 8 17 into 100 plus 9 8 72. So 1 2 3 4 zeros. You write 4 zeros, 1 after 1 into 1 1. This is 1700 plus 72. Okay, 2 0 0 2 7 0 0 7 7 0 7 1 0 1 and last one 1. The answer is 11,772 is the answer. Okay, that's enough. Okay, now in our next video I have to tell some of the problems which are related to all identities. Okay.